Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to like a game in Roblox. So first open your Roblox application. Now go to the home page and scroll down to the game you want to like. So just click on the game you want to like, and if you scroll it a little down, then you will see this option where you can upvote or devote. You just need to click on this, but make sure that you have played this game or have the experience of this particular game at least once to vote. And if you still can't upvote here in this option, that means that you have not verified your account. For that, you just need to click on the more option at the very right bottom of the page, and you need to go to settings. Now you need to click on account info, and here you will see your account info settings. Here you will see email address, and if it's not verified, make sure you verify that and try the first step again. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.